Drinks and dietary habits for prostate health. Certain drinks and dietary habits have been suggested to support prostate health and may help alleviate symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate, medically known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. While no single beverage can guarantee results in just 5 days, incorporating specific drinks into your daily routine, combined with a healthy diet, may contribute to symptom relief over time. One drink that has shown promise is green tea, which is rich in antioxidants like catechins. These compounds are believed to have anti-inflammatory properties and may support overall prostate health. Drinking a few cups of unsweetened green tea daily could help reduce inflammation and promote better urinary flow. Another beneficial option is pomegranate juice, which is packed with antioxidants and has been studied for its potential to combat prostate-related oxidative stress. Aim for fresh, unsweetened juice to maximize benefits while avoiding added sugars. Tomato juice is also worth considering due to its high lycopene content. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant associated with improved prostate health. Consuming tomato-based beverages or incorporating tomatoes into your diet may support the reduction of prostate inflammation. Watermelon juice can serve as a refreshing alternative, as it contains a natural source of lycopene along with high water content to aid hydration and support urinary function. Additionally, herbal teas such as nettle root or saw palmetto have traditionally been used to address prostate-related symptoms. Nettle root tea may help reduce inflammation and support better urinary flow, while saw palmetto is commonly included in natural supplements aimed at prostate health. Drinking these teas regularly could complement other dietary measures. Hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining prostate health, so don't underestimate the importance of plain water. Adequate water intake ensures a healthy urinary system and helps to flush out toxins that could exacerbate symptoms. Avoiding beverages that irritate the bladder, such as alcohol, caffeine, and sugary sodas, is equally important. Medical disclaimer. The information provided here is for general informational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are experiencing symptoms of an enlarged prostate, consult a qualified healthcare provider. Lifestyle changes, including dietary adjustments, should be discussed with your doctor to ensure they are safe and suitable for your specific health needs.